It is time for your favorite Android podcast from the crew of blindandroidusers.com. Kick back and enjoy another fine episode from these Google fanboys as they navigate Android from a blindness perspective. And now, here are your hosts.
Hello and welcome to episode 55 of Blind Android Users podcast. My name is Austin Pinto, and fortunately or unfortunately, today I am the only member in the studio. Warren is going to join us later with an app of the week. This podcast is being recorded on Christmas Day, that is the 25th of December 2021. Would like to wish all our listeners a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, or whatever holiday you celebrate. Have a blessed, safe, and enjoy with family and relatives and friends. So what we are going to do today, as I'm the only member here, I'm going to show you two things in one series. I'm going to show you how to opt your Pixel device out of Android beta program, and then I'm going to show you how to use the online flash tool of Google to flash your Pixel device back to factory image. So without any delays, let's start the procedure. I have a Pixel 4a. It is running Android 12L beta. For those of you who don't know what Android 12L is, it is the version of Android for large screen devices, foldable devices, tablets, and all those things. So I want to roll out or opt out of the beta program. To do this, you simply navigate to this website.
Android beta program document. Visited link Google. Toolbar. Address and search bar. Edit tab.
To opt out of the beta program, you would navigate to
https://www.google.com/android/beta unselected.
google.com/android_beta. I'll be having the link in the show notes. So when you listen to the podcast on a website, there will be headings for show notes and you can view the links there.
Clickable button collapse Google Apps. Button content info landmark Google. Link graphic get link help. Link privacy link terms.
So what you want to do now, this page is laid out a little differently. So you want to press the B key and find out devices.
How can I opt out and return to a public Android release? How do I get help with that? How do I verify? How often will? How long does? Which devices are eligible? Toggle all FAQs. Which which toggle list with one items opt out button. Phone URL before how to preview what's about the beta help make the next release button heading level 2 about the beta program.
So let's read a little bit on this page. And because this page
Android beta for Pixel offers you a simple way to drive our new feature. Make the platform Eve beta version of heading level 2. What's new? Android fixes and improvement. Android 12 beta is now available. You will receive pre-release updates including feature drops, bug fixes and improvements to stability and performance ahead of the public release schedule. Learn more about our developing the heading level 2 previously enrolled. If you were previous automatically heading level 2, how do I participate? Sign in the Android with us direct heading level 2 before you enroll. The updates that you will receive as a part of this your eligible devices heading level 2.
So you want to navigate to your eligible devices heading. You can even do this on your phone, but I'm doing it on the PC since I'm recording it on the PC, so it's going to be easier.
Heading level 3 phones. List with one items graphic image of Pixel 4a.
So I have the Pixel 4a.
Pixel 4a, Android 12 beta program. Button opt out.
I'm going to opt out.
Opt out dialog. Leave beta button. Opt out. Button cancel. You may encounter issues with install beta. You are heading level 1 opt out. You are about to remove this device from the Android 12 beta program. If your device is running a beta version of Android, it will be sent a node update that will wipe all data on the device and install the latest stable public version of Android. You may encounter issues restoring a backup.
So this is going to wipe your device. So definitely do backup everything that you want. Your WhatsApp messages and all.
Button leave beta.
And leave
unavailable.
beta.
Out of list dialog. Device removed from the Android 12 beta program. Device removed from the Android 12 beta program dialog. A system update for the latest stable public version of Android will be available on your device soon. You can check to see if an update is pending by navigating to settings, greater system, greater advanced, greater system updates. Thanks for trying. Button OK.
And I click OK on the PC.
Content info.
Now let me go to the phone, and this is so fast. Let me show you.
6:22 a.m. Navigate. Sound settings. Pixel launcher. Accept. YT Studio. Telegram. Tata. Skype. Speed test. Toy has 40. Spotify. Settings. Settings. Profile pic.
I'll go to system.
System. Link. Set. Backup. Date and time. Rule. System update. Updated to Android 12. Your system is up to date. System update. Your system. Android check for update.
Now
button.
just do a check for update.
Checking for update. Checking for update. Heading. Preparing system update.
And there you go. This is the update that you will get. This will be the latest available stable Android, which as of today is Android 12. So I don't want to download this update because I want to flash the device using the online flash tool. Why I'm doing this is because we got a question on our Telegram group. Someone's Pixel stopped receiving monthly updates. What they can do. So this is what you do. You should not have a carrier locked phone. If you have a carrier locked phone, you'll have to contact your carrier because this will require unlocking the bootloader. You will not have to do anything by yourself. The tool will guide you and do everything for you. But before we start the tool, before we navigate to the tools page,
System
we need
update
to
available. Screen off.
we
Android
need
beta
to
program.
enable
Tap to learn more
some
and download. Controls.
options on the phone. So let's do that.
Nav. Settings. Rules. 0 rules. Multiple rules. 0 rules. Multiple users. Developer options.
Let's go to developer options.
Setting. Bug report. Desktop back. State. Running. Web view implement. OEM unlocking. Allow the bootloader to be unlocked. Off. Switch.
This has to be enabled.
Allow the bootloader to be unlocked. On. Showing numeric.
You'll have to enter your PIN.
Gboard. 2, 5, 1. Bullet. 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 Next. Keyboard hidden. Allow OEM unlocking. Warning. Device protection features will not work on this device while this setting is turned on.
So after flashing, do make sure, and definitely it will turn it off, but do make sure
Cancel.
that this is not enabled.
Warning. Enable button.
I'm going to enable this.
Settings. OEM unlocking. Allow the bootloader to be unlocked. On. Running. Web view. DS. System. Quick setting. Debugging. USB debugging. Debug mode when USB is connected. On. Switch.
This will be off by default. I have already enabled it. So we are good to go. I will connect my phone to the PC now.
Charging started. Battery level 99%.
So it's connected. You might have not heard any sound because it is in
Android beta program.
focus mode or something. I don't know why it didn't play the sound. I'm going to close this Android beta page because we are done with this.
Link privacy. Android beta program Google Chrome Austin Pin. Android Flash Tool Android Open Source Project Google Chrome Austin Pinto Toolbar Address and Search Bar Edit Android Flash Tool and Link Graphic Android a main landmark Android Flash checkbox not checked add bookmark heading clickable buttons Toolbar.
So if you want to flash your phone using this tool, you'll have to navigate to
flash.android.com
flash.android.com
blank.
And
Flash.
again the link will be in the show notes.
Document busy blank. Android Flash Tool clickable banner landmark visited link help. Main landmark welcome to Android Flash Tool heading level 3. You can use this tool to install Android builds on your devices. This tool allows you to flash Android onto recent Pixel phones and some Android development devices. Link view full list. To flash a device the tool requires 10 GB of available storage on your computer. Heading level 4 install an Android build in 3 connect your device via USB cable.
So it's giving us instructions.
Select the software you want to install. Install the software on your device.
Now, if you are enrolled in the beta program, this tool will give you the beta builds of Android, and you can flash that, or you can select the stable build.
Use of Android Flash Tool is subject to the link Google Terms of and Sends Usage Statist button. Learn more about data button. Get started.
And we click Get Started.
Additional software needed for Windows.
Now, if you are using Windows, it will tell you that additional software is needed. If you have done this before, you can click already installed. I have not done
Button
this
cancel.
before.
Link download Android USB
So I'm
driver.
going to download
Loading page.
this USB driver.
Install the Google USB driver link.
So we'll click this, install the Google USB drivers link.
Loading page. Get the Google USB driver and loading complete. Clickable link graphic Android main landmark. Get the Google U checkbox not checked. Add bookmark. The Google USB driver is required for Windows devices. Manufacturer. Note, if you're developing on Mac, instead see link. You can download the list with 2 items. Bullet button. Click here to download the Google USB driver zip file. Zip. Bullet or get it from the link Android SDK managed bullet out of list. List with 2 items.
We'll click on download zip and
out of list with 2 items. Click here to download. 1. Introduction heading level 3.
This is the software agreement.
I have read and agree with the above term. Checked. No next button. Download the Google USB driver link. Loading complete. Downloading us. Downloads completed. Press Ctrl+J to go to downloads.
And we have the driver downloaded. Let's see what's there.
File export. Preview D. Level 2 desk D. Downloads. Items view list. Today grouping expanded. US driver R13 Windows space. Items view list. US driver not selected 1 of 1. Space. Items view list. AM64 not selected 1 of 6. I3. Android. Android 1 estate. Android 1. Source.
So
items
we
view.
will have to extract the USB drivers folder.
Items view list. Today grouping. US driver 2 of 102.
So to install this driver, we'll have to right click on this file.
Context menu. Open O. Edit E. Print P. Install I. Open file
install.
security warning dialog. Do you want to open this file name? Always ask what's the risk. Open button Alt plus space. Drive secure desktop.
User account
yes
control dialog. Use
US driver unavailable. Navigation but forward to AM60. Get the Google U Android flat meeting controls. Zoom row 2 Windows security row 2 column 3 Windows always trust software from Google LLC. Checkbox not checked read only.
So this is a security thing.
Space checked. Install button Alt plus I space.
Click
US driver
install.
navigation buttons toolbar back to downloads Alt plus left arrow button.
So you heard that the phone disconnected and reconnected. That means we should have the drivers now installed.
Screen off.
Android untitled Go HTTPS button allow ADB access.
So after you install the USB drivers and then you click I've already done it, you get this window. You click allow.
Android Flash Tool Google Chrome Austin Pinto Android Flash Tool document Android Flash Tool document clickable this site link learn button OK got it link this content main heading button troubleshooting tips button add select no previous heading
takes you to the bottom of
heading
this
level
page.
3 so no devices available manually add a list with 3 items step 1 enable button follow these steps to enable US step 2 plug in your device connect your device using any USB cord
6:41 a.m. Airtel Wi-Fi.
desktop
Charging started. Battery level 100%.
step 3 select click the add new to step 3 select device click follow the trouble out of list button troubleshooting tips heading level 3 find the build to flash select the device from the list content info landmark copyright 2020 main land troubleshooting tip list with 3 items follow these steps but banner landmark send feedback but no previous button main trouble add new OK got it main landmark add new device button flash.android.com wants to connect alert cancel button 2 of 2
Then you need to click on add new device.
compatible
and
devices list Pixel 4
you will get this list of devices.
Pixel 4 selected row 1
You have to select the device. To select it, just press the down arrow key.
learn more button connect button 1 of 2
Click on
Android
connect.
Flash Tool document main landmark selected device combo box select device 1 available collapsed invalid entry
And then it puts you into this combo box.
Unlock. 6:43 a.m. Device unlocked. System UI. Allow USB
Now
debugging.
this will open the USB debugging on your phone.
The computers are not checked. Always
It
allow
will give
for
you the RSA
checked.
key. Always allow. Click on that
Cancel. Allow.
and click
Settings.
allow.
Revoke USB debugging authorizations.
content info landmark Google privacy pol main land heading level 3 find the build to flash select a device from the list above to populate applicable selected device combo box collapsed invalid entry select device 1 main landmark selected
Now
device
in this combo box we'll have to select the device.
Content in main landmark. Selected device combo box. Select device. 1 available. Collapsed invalid entry. Space. Selected device picker dialog. List. Pixel 4.
And
Selected device combo box. Pixel 4. Search by branch. Search by branch. Target or build ID list. Matching branches grouping. As master with phones 1 of 4.
this is a little advanced.
Main landmark. Clickable search by branch. Target or build. Selected device combo. Heading level 3. Find a build to flash.
Find a build.
Clickable search by branch. Enter a target. E.G. Walleye user. Build id. ERQ2A. Heading level 3 popular builds. Button expanded beta releases. Link Android 12 V2 beta 1. Button expanded beta releases.
I don't want any beta release. I'm going to collapsed. This branch.
Button expanded public releases. Link back to public factory. Reset the device to the latest public build.
So we click this. Reset phone to factory.
Content info land main land visit link at force flash. Visited link Android link settings. Visited link help.
It always takes you to the bottom of the page, and that's why I scroll
Button
to the
send
top.
feedback. Link sign in. Main landmark link devices. Heading level 2 installing build. Heading level 3 selected device. Selected device combo box collapsed pixel 4. Heading level 3 selected build. SQ1A.211,205.008 7,888,514 Sunfish user signed 12.0.0 Android 12 API level 31 Deck 2021 security.
So this will give us an image of the December 2021 security patch.
Patch. Wipe. Lock. Force flash. Link visited. Link select another link edit force flash.
So these are all the steps that it will do.
Link edit visited. Link select another build. Link edit build. Visited button install build.
And we click install
build button. Confirm and install dialog. Cancel button. Confirm and install button. Cancel button. Addition your download retain. So while it may be pixel 4 sun heading level 1 confirm and install. Heading level 2 selected device. Pixel 4 sunfish. Current build S2B 1.2 heading level 2 selected build. SQ1A.211,000 patch. Wipe. Lock. Force during the list with 3 out of list during the installation process. List with 3 items factory reset will result in all data on the phone being erased. Be certain to first backup any.
It tells you that.
Personal data such as photos. Do not interact with the device unless instructed to do so by this page. Do not unplug your device. Out of list warning. Installing an image may require erasing all data from the device and unlocking the bootloader will make your device less secure. While it may be possible to restore certain data backed up to your Google account, associated data will be uninstalled. Before proceeding, please ensure that data you would like to retain is linked backed up to your Google account.
It relocks your bootloader, so that is a little...
Your downloading of the build and use of related device software may be subject additional term. Button cancel. Button confirm.
Confirm.
Flash.android.com wants to show notifications dialog. Show notifications. Close button. Block allow button 1 of 2.
We click allow.
Space Android.
It depends on you. You can click block or allow.
By Google from time to time. Terms of service. Heading level 1 license. Heading level 2 you must agree to this.
So this is the terms of
no next checkbox.
Terms and conditions.
Cancel button. I accept
I'm
button.
going to click on I accept.
Button OK. Got it. Link learn more. Android flash 2. Android flash visited link help button send main landmark heading level 2 installing build. Heading level 3 selected device. Pixel 4 current heading level 3 selected build. SQ patch. Wipe. Lock. Forced heading level preparing your device. In progress. During the installation process. List with 2 items. Do not interact with the device. Do not out of list content info landmark copyright. When this site uses cookies from Google to deliver its services and to analyze traffic.
6:47 a.m. Device unlocked. Revoke you.
Main do not out of list in progress. Preparing your device.
So it's saying it's preparing the device.
Heading level 3 current status. Preparing your device.
And you can read this by your arrow keys.
In progress. During the installation prepare heading level 3 current status. Force flash. OK no next button. Link learn more of this site uses cookies from OK got it. Banner landmark and no previous heading. Main landmark installing build heading level 2. Selected device. Selected build current status. Heading no next heading. Preparing your device. In progress. During the installation process list with 2 items. Do not interact with the device and button reselect device. Button cancel. List with 1 items you should not have to interact with out of your device from the browser menu. No when the device change heading level 1 reselect your device. When the device changes modes for the first time you must select it again. To continue reselect your device from the browser menu. Note, since you are running Windows you may also see list with out of list button cancel. Button reselect device.
We'll have to reselect the device.
Flash.android.com wants to connect alert. Cancel button. Compatible devices list Pixel 4. Pixel 4 learn more button connect button cancel but connect button 1. Android flash tool flashback to public USB device connected Google Chrome Austin. Oz button start. Button cancel. Your device less secure. Be warning. Unlocking the bootloader will array your bootloader is heading level 1 unlock device.
And now we'll click on start and this will
cancel
unlock
button start
the
button.
bootloader.
Clickable dialog unlock device. Blank. Blank. Dial clickable. Blank. Blank. Dialog unlock device. Blank. Search tabs menu button sub Android blank. Clickable. Dialog unlock device.
So now it's just on the dialog, unlock device.
Unlock device dialog. Unlock device heading level 1. Unlock device. Please follow the steps on the device screen to unlock the device. You may need to use the volume buttons to navigate the list of options.
So now this is requiring sighted help. But what you want to do is you press the volume up key once on your phone and then press the
Reselect
power
your device
button.
dialog. Reselect device button. Reselect your device. Button reselect device. Button reselect button button list with one out of list. Since you are running Windows, you may also see list with one items you should not have.
And we have unlocked the bootloader. Now
Out
we
of
are
list
going to
button cancel.
reselect
Button reselect
the
device.
device.
Flash.android.com wants to learn more button cancel button level 3 current status. Downloading software.
Now it's downloading the build and then next
Heading level 3
install.
downloading software. 22% download https://dl.google.com/dl/android/as/sunfishes q1.211,205.008 factory201f8app3.zip.
It's downloading the factory image. It downloads and stores it to your computer in some temporary location. You cannot get this file unless you go searching for it. So let me summarize what we did so far. We installed the USB driver. What you need to do for that is once you click on get USB driver for Google, you'll get a zip file and you have to open the zip file, extract the USB driver folder, click on the INF file in the folder, don't open any subfolders, and click on install. So you press the applications key on the INF file and click on install. It will say security, do you want to open this file? You click open. It will give you the UAC prompt and then it will ask you if you trust software from Google. You check that checkbox saying always trust and then click on install.
Downloading software. 80% download https://dl.google.com/dl/android. Downloading 88% download https://dl.google.com/dl/android/as/sunfishes q1.211,205.008 factory201f8app3.zip. Reselect button cancel. List with one items you should not have to interact with the device. Out of list since you are list with out of list button reselect device.
Now it's asking us to reselect the device.
Flash.android.com wants to connect all compatible devices list Pixel 4. Pixel 4.
And we again press the down arrow and select the device.
Learn more button connect button 1 of 2. Android flash tool flashback to public Google Chrome Austin Pinto device inst button send feed button OK button that doesn't resolve the issue then the command line ADB server is running. Try running enter the selected heading level 1 device inspection failed. The selected device was not able to be opened. Confirm it is not in use by another application and then try removing the device and reconnecting it to continue. On Windows this is usually because the command line ADB server is running. Try running add.xkill server and then trying again. Send feedback OK
this
button.
Is an error
Dialog
that
action required to
sometimes
continue.
happens. So now we have unlocked the bootloader of the device and we have reconnected it. Sometimes what happens is if you unlock the bootloader, your phone may boot back into Android. You'll have to skip all the setup and enable USB debugging again. So that is being done now and the device is connected, ready to flash the build.
Zoom row 1 Android flash tool Android list clickable button troubleshooting tips. List clickable Google Pixel 4. List clickable Google button link view all add device button. Flash.android. Compatible devices Pixel 4. Learn connect button 1. Android flash tool flashback to public USB device connected Google Chrome Austin Pinto selected device picker dialog button add device. Selected device combo box Pixel 4 Sunfish edit build link. Visited link select another build button install build.
Now we just have to click on install build.
Confirm and install dialog cancel button confirm. Clickable dialog license dialog
and we have to accept
no next
this
checkbox.
again.
I accept button. Main landmark Pixel 4 Sunfish serial number 14081 JEC 200,900 current build heading level 3 selected build SQ1 patch wipe lock force flat heading level 3 current stat preparing your device in progress.
So now it is going to prepare the device, boot into fast boot and everything.
During the installation process, list with 2 items do not out of in progress.
It's a fairly easy
Return
procedure.
to button.
Sometimes you may get errors.
schedule button. Android flash to Android preparing your device in progress.
And you heard the disconnect sound. That means the device has now
Downloading software.
booted into fast boot mode.
Downloaded 49.21 MB / 1.95 GB during the installation. 5% download. 8 downloaded 133. 7% download. HTTPS / downloaded 187.51 MB / 1.95 GB during the installation process.
I'm a bit away from the router, so the downloading speed is not all that great.
Downloading software. 17% download. HTTPS / dl.google.com/dl/androids. Downloaded 535.25 MB / 1.26% download. HTTPS / dl.google. Downloaded 649.96 MB / 1.95 GB during the installation process.
You have to read this status screen using your arrow keys.
36% downloaded 818.72 MB / 1.95 GB during the installation process.
Sometimes you may get stuck on unlocking the bootloader screen. What you need to do is just press the volume key up once on your device and then press the power button. That should unlock your bootloader. Just be careful that you only press it once and not 2-3 times. That will
59% downloaded 1.31 GB / 1.95 GB during the installation process.
Procedure. And in the background, there are some Christmas celebrations. So I hope it is not recording too much.
68% downloaded 1.52 GB / 1.95 GB during the installation process. 76% downloaded 1.7 GB / 1.95 GB during the installation process.
Almost done.
81% download. HTTP downloaded 1.81 GB / 1.95 GB during the installation process. 86% download. Downloaded 1.93 GB / 1.95 GB during the installation process. Installing software.
And again, you heard the device disconnect and reconnect. This will happen.
16% rebooting device into bootloader during the installation process. List with 2 items done out of list. 21% formatting user data during the installation process.
Now it will tell you what it is doing. You'll have to read it
installing
using your
software.
arrow keys.
37% flashing boot during the installation process.
So it's flashing the boot partition.
Installing 58% rebooting device into user space fast boot during the installation process.
I will let you hear the device disconnect and reconnect sounds. This is using Windows 11. So the USB disconnect and reconnect sounds are a bit quieter, not like Windows 10. It was a bit louder and more prominent.
Installing 68% flashing product preparing image file during the installation process.
So these are different partitions being flashed.
Installing software. 68% flashing product preparing image file during the list with 2 items do not interact out of list. 68% flashing product preparing image file during the installation process.
So it'll get stuck here, but do not do anything. It's preparing the image and flashing. There are different partitions. It will not give you the names of them. We'll wait for another disconnect sound, reconnect sound, and then I will read the status page. Let me see what it's doing.
Installing software. 73% flashing product uploading partition data. 8/9 right parenthesis during the installation process.
So it's uploading partition data, as you heard.
Installing software. 74% flashing product flashing partition data. 9/9 right parenthesis during the installation process.
We're almost done.
Installing software. 74% flashing system preparing image file during the installation process.
Now it's flashing the system partition, which is the biggest partition of all. This will take some time to prepare. It is very important that your device does not get unplugged during this procedure.
Installing software. 78% flashing system uploading partition data. 3/4 right parenthesis during the installation process.
So it divides system into 4 parts and then uploads them. Also known as sparse system. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. It will do this for both the slots.
Installing software. 89% flashing vendor preparing image file during the installation
And
process.
this is the last partition, I believe, the vendor partition. It will do this for both the slots again.
Installing software. 92% flashing vendor flashing partition data. 1/3 right parenthesis during the installation process.
Again, it divides vendor into sparse and flashes them. And there we go. We are done. The device is now back to Android 12 or whatever
Lock device dialog.
latest
Start button. Lock device. Button start.
releases. Now it's asking us to lock the bootloader.
Button cancel.
We
Button
click
start.
on start.
Clickable dialog. Lock device. Blank. Dialog. Lock device. Lock device dialog. Lock device dialog. Please follow the steps on the device screen to confirm locking the device. You may need to use
you have to confirm the lock. So we'll again press the volume up key once and power. And the device has disconnected and reconnected. And now the bootloader is locked.
Heading level 1 lock device. Please follow the steps volume buttons to navigate the list button done. Android flash tool flashback to public
and
document.
We are done.
Main landmark heading level 3 selected device. Pixel current build heading level 3 selected build SQ1 patch wipe lock force flash heading level 3 current status. Heading level 4 install complete. The build has been successfully installed. It is now safe to unplug your device.
It's now safe to unplug. So I'll unplug the device and do the factory reset, and you heard the device connect again. That means the device is now ready. It's doing its thing. It's connecting, disconnecting. So the device is now ready for me to start Talkback, and I will now switch over to Warren and let him do the app of the week.
Thank you so much, Austin, for that wonderful demonstration of the flashing tool from Google, with which one could use to either flash an image to their phone or go back to a previous installation. I will now move on to the app of the week, and that will be the DatChat. This then will be followed by my highlights from Talkback. And this week, this is the 18th installment in the series Highlights from Talkback. And now, here's an app of the week, DatChat. In the app of the week, I'm demonstrating another social media app called DatChat, DatChat, DatChat. I am demonstrating DatChat on my Pixel XL from 2017 using the Kindra voice from the back then Bright Voice Technologies. I have installed DatChat and I haven't set it up, so we'll be doing this together. I'll now find and tap on DatChat.
DatChat. DatChat. Username. Edit box.
When you pop up DatChat, it asks for the username. So in other words, if you've already signed up, then you could just go ahead here and enter your username and password. If you haven't, however, signed up for DatChat, for example, like me, who hasn't yet signed up for it, then toward the very bottom, you're going to find a button that says Not Registered, Create an Account.
Not registered. Create an account, button.
Go ahead and tap here.
Have an account. Log in, button.
All right, so
choose a username, edit box.
We got choose a username.
Showing password keyboard.
And I'm just going to type in Warcar, W-A-R-C-A-R-R.
Board, W, whiskey. W-A-A-R-R-C-C-A-A-R-R-R. DatChat, password, Warcar, edit box, editing, choose a username, password, edit box. Showing.
And now I'll mute and tap in my password. I don't want you guys logging into my account. I just finished typing my password and
re-enter password, edit box.
And we need to retype that password.
Showing password keyboard.
And again, I'll mute and type it in.
Continue. DatChat. Save password to Google.
And I'm being asked as to whether or not I'll save it to Google. I'll say yeah.
Save button.
It's my password manager. Next, we come to a screen that says,
For your safety, the only way to regain access to your account in the event you forget your password is to set up some recovery questions. DatChat staff does not have the ability to recover or reset a lost password for you.
okay. And we've got,
Security question. Edit box.
when you tap here,
Showing English, US, QWERTY, keyboard.
and you could tap in what you want your security question to be. I could say, what podcast am I recording this for? And of course, that will be blindandroidusers.com or Blind Android Users Podcast. But I don't want to give you guys that so that you can log on to my account. So I'll have to type in something else. I have typed in my security question and also typed in the answer to that security question. And the next field that we have is
Email address. Edit box. Showing English, US, QWERTY.
email address. Of course, it's going to be my email, which is warcarr@gmail.com.
Board. W. Out of list. A. 1 autofill suggestion. Autofill options. DatChat. Warcare. In list.
There we go. And there's my pop-up that shows my username, and I'll just tap here.
Warcare. End of field. Warcare. Edit box. Editing. Email address. Out of list. Board. At G M M A I L period C O M warcare@gmail.com.
There's my email, and
Continue. But connect a phone number. Connecting your phone will help you and your friends find each other on DatChat.
so the next thing here is to put in your phone number, just like all of them, WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, whatever the case may be. And so here we are about phone number.
+1. Edit box. Disabled.
So you got the country code,
123456789. Edit box.
and this is where you type in your phone number.
Showing dial keyboard.
And now I'll type in my phone number and tap on continue. Just finished typing my phone number, and now we'll tap on continue.
Continue. Button. Keyboard hidden.
On this page, we've got
Privacy and visibility. These settings can be changed anytime within the app. Invisible to search. Enabling this option will hide you from search results and connected accounts. Contacts. Facebook. Who can message me? Everyone means anyone that knows your username can send a message. Friends only limits this to only people on your friends list. Checkbox.
So in other words, if you check this checkbox, you're not going to be easily found. However, if you leave it unchecked, people could search and find you. So I'll go ahead and tap on enable.
Checked.
And of course, it does say you can change it later on if that's what you want to do. And so below that, you have,
Checkbox. Everyone. Button.
you could tap on everyone or
Friends only. Button.
friends only,
Continue. Button. Disabled.
or continue, which is disabled because I haven't checked anything. So I'm going to check on friends only.
Friends only. Button.
Now let's tap on continue.
Continue. Button. Allow DatChat to access your contacts. Allow. Button.
If you did not allow it, those friends of yours will not see that you have it, and you wouldn't see that they have it. So I'm going to say, yeah, allow it.
DatChat. Add friends. Let's populate your friends list. Send friend requests and invite people to install DatChat.
Okay, so I want to see if I have anyone here. I'm going to scroll up and see if I have any friends that are on here.
Bob Barnick, 136 of.
Wow.
Blanca Figueroa, 136 of 1,189.
That's how many contacts I got. And it seems like I don't have anyone on DatChat.
Add friends. Let's populate your friends.
And at the very bottom, you have a big button at the bottom that says add friends. Let's populate your whatever. And, you know, that's how it is. I can demonstrate how to go about making calls or, you know, sending messages.
DatChat. Inbox.
I went back and I'm in my inbox.
Agree. Button. Cancel. But to continue using DatChat, you must first confirm that you have read and agreed to our terms of service and privacy policy.
Okay.
Cancel.
And
Button.
let's cancel.
Agree. Button.
And agree.
DatChat, 1 of 7.
Now that I tap on agree, and it says 1 of 7, I have no clue what it's talking about. So I'm going to start looking at the top.
System UI.
There's nothing here at the top, so I'm going to go toward the bottom.
DatChat. Settings. Access DatChat settings. Edit your profile and upgrade to DatChat Pro.
Or
Close save button.
close. I'm going to tap on close for now, see what happens.
DatChat inbox.
And it says DatChat inbox. I'm going to put my finger near the top.
DatChat toolbar left image button.
I think that may be the navigate to top or open navigational drawer. So it seems the app is not well labeled. I'm going to tap here to see what happens.
Menu. Nav menu profile.
Absolutely. That pops up your navigational drawer. And we've got
Edit profile. 1 of 10.
Edit profile.
Your account. 2 of 10. Privacy. Visibility. 3 of 10. Password recovery. 4 of 10. Device settings. 5 of 10. Notification and sounds. 6 of 10. Block list. 7 of 10. Message settings. 8 of 10. Contact support. 9 of 10. All settings. 10 of 10.
And that's the last one. Let's look at all settings.
DatChat. Out of list. Privacy. Visibility. In list. Passcode. Fingerprint. Account settings. Password recovery. Device settings. Notification settings. Block list. Message settings. Saving. Support. Privacy policy. Delete account. Out of list.
And that's the last one. And it's most likely that some of the commas that I'm hearing are as a result of the older TTS engine that I'm using. If I were using some other newer TTS engine, I probably wouldn't be hearing those commas. I go back and let's go to the right and see what we've got.
Button.
Says comma button.
Button.
Another one that's comma button.
Button.
And the last one, there's 3 buttons there that are unlabeled and simply say comma button. Let me tap on the last one, see what happens.
DatChat, button.
Tapping on that, we've got
enter or select recipient. Enter username, enter or select recipients above.
Oh, so that's like a composition message. All right, I'm going to go below that and see what we've got. Below that, we've got
DatChat team, 4 minutes, 1.
So this is a message I got from the team. I'm going to open that, see what happens.
DatChat, system message, 30 seconds, 4 minutes ago. Hey, Jeff from Team DatChat here. You now have a simple and powerful way to control your messages, even after you hit send. This message was sent uncovered, but it is still fully encrypted end-to-end. 1 of 2, in list, 2 items, message.
And
hold to read, button, 2 of 2, in list, 2 items.
The second one says hold to read. I'm going to hold that.
Hold to read. System message, 30 seconds, out of list, 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago.
So we'll be probably having a problem as blind users
5 minutes ago.
because in reality, when you tap and hold, it pops up the message, but it's not read.
DatChat team.
What?
48 seconds ago. 2 of 3 in list. 3 items. Hold system message. Hold to read. But system message. 30 seconds. Out of list. 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago.
And it pops up a message there in the middle of the screen.
Combo button.
But then we're not able to read that. So let me look at the bottom.
Message user compose empty.
So here's where you can compose your message.
Slider, 7%. Message user compose empty.
And at the bottom right corner,
message user compose empty. Message user compose empty.
So I'm going to tap here.
Slider, 7. Message user compose empty. Message user compose empty. Message user slider 7%. Slider 50%. Message user compose.
So as you can see, probably DatChat is not going to be something that those of us who are blind may actually have access to, most especially the type of message that you have to long press to read. And that will be a short demonstration of the DatChat. And now, here's highlights from Talkback. We now continue with our theme of highlights from Talkback. This is the 18th installment in the series. In the previous installments, I have talked about checkboxes and switches and things like that found within the Talkback settings. Today, I will begin a series of visiting each and every one of these checkboxes, checkmarks, switches, and so forth. By the way, today I'm using my Pixel 5a for this demonstration and it's running Android 12 with Talkback 12.1. For speech services, I am employing the Google Speech Services. I will now navigate my way to the Talkback menu by simply tapping with 3 fingers to invoke the Talkback menu.
Talkback menu. Actions in list.
I am in the Talkback menu, and the item I'm looking for is the second to the last, being Talkback settings, and the last item in the menu is text-to-speech settings. I'll put my finger down, find and tap on Talkback settings.
Talkback settings. Talkback settings. Navigate up. Button out of list.
I activated the Talkback settings, and now I'm in the Talkback settings. What I'm looking for here will be an item called Customize Gestures.
Customize gestures.
Here is Customize Gestures, and I'll now tap.
Customize gestures. Navigate up. Button out of list.
Tapping on Customize Gestures now takes us to the screen with all the gestures that you can customize to your liking. Some are customizable, and a few of them are not, but on the whole, the majority, I will say maybe 99% of all the gestures here can be recustomized to whatever you want them to do. Let's look at the first item in these gestures, and we have a heading. The first heading here is
One finger. Heading.
we have the one finger gesture, and below that is the first item in the list for the one finger gesture.
Swipe up. Move navigation focus backward or adjust reading control up.
We are told about the swiping up to move focus or to adjust the reading control. What this means is that if I swipe up, and when we talk about swiping up, we're talking about an action or gesture that is likened to brushing up. In other words, just pretend that you have something that has fallen on your screen and you want to brush it away, but instead of brushing left to right or downward, you brush upward with one finger. That's toward the top of the phone. That's the swipe. Some people like to call it flicking. We don't flick on Android. We swipe. And so, if I swipe up, it will take me to the previous item, although the best method of going to the previous item will be to swipe either left or right. But this works also, but it's going to take you a little bit longer in some instances. For instance, if I swipe up, watch.
Swipe up.
You notice it says swipe up. If I swipe up again, it doesn't say anything. I'm going to swipe down. It doesn't say anything. I swipe again.
Swipe up.
And if I swipe down again back to that, the swipe up with one finger.
Move navigation focus backward or adjust reading control up.
Now watch, if I swipe left, listen to what happens.
One finger. Heading.
You notice that that tells me that there's a heading, and that was the one finger gesture. However, just swiping up does not do that, because it's most effective when you're using it in a reading situation. For instance, if I'm reading word by word or character by character, and I swipe up or down, it moves me to the previous letter or previous word and things like that. And so the swiping up is more effective if you are doing a reading control. If you are simply navigating within items, it's best to swipe left or right. Now, like I said, you can customize these things. Those that are uncustomizable will tell you that this thing cannot be customized. So, for instance, if you don't like the idea of swiping up to focus to a previous item or to change the reading control or move character by character or whatever. When you're on a character navigation or granularity, you could change it to whatever you want. And I'll show you that by tapping on that one finger movement.
Swipe up. Move navigation focus backward or adjust reading control up.
Let's tap here and you see what I mean.
Move navigation focus backward or adjust reading control up. Checked. Showing items 35 to 51 of 52.
We are told that this item has been checked and is item number 35 out of 50 plus items. Now, what that means is that I can change this to any of these items that are here. In other words, if I put my finger down,
screen search,
I could change it to use it for screen search. In other words, if I want to search for a particular word on my screen, I could swipe up and that would open up the search field for me to find the word that I'm looking for. Or let me put my finger near the top and see what item I have.
Next reading control. Showing items 30 to 46 of 52.
That's the next reading control. I could change this to use that for my next reading control. Let me scroll down.
Hold accessibility shortcut. Move. Open Talkback menu.
I could use it to open my Talkback menu.
Change spoken language.
I could use that to change my spoken language.
Start or end selection mode.
I could use that for starting and ending selection mode. So as you can see, one could change that swiping up with one finger to whatever that he or she would like to use that gesture for. And that is what you can do with the swiping up gesture.
People can find us on our website, blindandroidusers.com. They can email us if they have any questions to contact us at blindandroidusers.com. They can subscribe to our mailing list, Blind Android Users, plus subscribe at groups.io. They can join our Telegram group, Twitter, Clubhouse, and YouTube. The links will be in the show notes.
And that has been another episode of the Blind Android Users Podcast. As always, we appreciate hearing from you. You send those email messages to contact us at blindandroidusers.com. For those My Android Journey stories, we encourage you to send those to myandroidjourney@blindandroidusers.com. Until we see you in our next episode, you have a wonderful day.